Next we'll move on to third experiment that tells you that implement Ethernet LAN using N nodes. N nodes, it may be 6 to 10 nodes. Compare the throughput by changing the error rate and data rate. So we need to create the topology as shown above. Means using two LANs I need to connect. Up to now I have connected 3 systems to hub, okay, and we are just transferring the data. Now I am increasing the host here. So 2 LANs I am taking. How this LAN is connected? That is nothing but Ethernet. Using the TCP agent or UDP agent, I need to send the data from one system to another system, and for that one I need to calculate the throughput. I need to compare node 1 to, this is node 4, and node 2 to node 5, node 3 to node 6. I want to compare that, and by changing the bit error rate and bandwidth I need to compare again. That's it. This one we have to see. So using the NC tools will obtain this result. Okay, the steps what I told, everything is same. All the steps you have to repeat, and go for the for NC tunes main window. I am in the main window itself. So I want new file. So I am going for file. Go for new. Here I am connecting LAN. So first I want to take a system 1, 2 and 3, same thing 4. Okay, it become double here. Just okay, go for system again. This is 4 and this is 5 and this is 6. I have connected 6. Okay, system. I have taken the 6th system. I want to connect this. So I will take the hub. I will insert here. Becoming double. Just click on this. This is also. Go for hub. Smoothly you have to handle like this. Okay, here also take one more hub. Okay, I need to interconnect this. So this hub and this hub I want to connect, means I require a switch. I will take a switch. I will connect to the switch. Understanding this one? Okay, take the connector. Connect from 1 to 7, 2 to 7, 3 to 7 and 4 to 8, 5 to 8 and 8 to 6. From this LAN to switch I am connecting here, from here to here and connect. Understood this one? Like this I need to open. This is one LAN and this is one other LAN. LAN is connected using the switch. So next properties, edit, choose a file name. I will choose this as a experiment 3. I am saving this. Okay, IP address is generated. Let me check what the IP address is generated. 1, and this is this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Properly, if you are arranged like this, you will get the IP address 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if it is interchange, means first if you connect 1, 2, 3 and then you have taken this hub, after that you will take this 3, after that you will take this hub, means like if you do like that means, so IP address will get changed. So for easier sake, I have arranged like this. Go through this step itself, it becomes easy. Understood? So now I need to send the data from 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6. Will provide the path for it. I will click on it. So I am clicking on it. So I will go for add. I just go for here. I will give a time slot as 0 to 20. Understanding? 20. Here I am just taking the UDP, because its command is very easy to analyze. So I will take that stg minus u 1024 space, just go for 30, that is a time slot I am giving here, 1.0.1.4, right? Okay, this is stg minus u 1024 30 1.0.1.4. I am giving the time slot as 20. Go for OK. Go for node editor, MAC 8023, log packet statistics, throughput of outgoing packets, OK, and here also OK, and this is also OK. Go for the next one, click on it and go for add. Here I will change the start time as 30. I will give a time for that to this, because we need to analyze properly. So 30, I will give this as a 50. Okay, so same command I want to type, stg space minus u space 1024 space 30 space 1.0.1.5. Okay, for OK, node editor, MAC 8023, log packet statistics, throughput of outgoing packets, OK, and this is also OK, and this is also OK. Go for the next system, add a path. So this is I'm taking as a 60 to 80. Okay, 60 to 80 I am choosing. Go for your stg space minus u space 1024 space 30 space 1.0.1.6. stg minus u 1024 30 1.0.1.6. Go for node editor, MAC 8023, log packet statistics, outgoing packet, OK, OK, OK. I have given the path for this, and next one I want to give a path for the fourth, receiving. I have treated this as a receiver. This is sender and fourth one is a receiver. I will click on it, add a path. So no need to change the timings here, let it 1 to 100 itself. Go for rtg space minus u space minus w space log 1. You just copy this, always you can't type, so I will just copy this. Okay, OK, and go for node editor, MAC 8023, log packet statistics. So it's what, incoming packet, full duplex mode. OK, OK, OK. Okay. Next, fifth one, go for add, let the same thing, let it be, no problem, rtg, OK, node editor, MAC 8023, log packet statistics, incoming packet, and then full duplex mode. OK, OK, this is also OK. Okay, last one, add, let it be, paste, fine. Okay, MAC 8023, log packet statistics, this is incoming packet. Okay, I have done the path for everything. Next I will go for one section. Yes. Okay, go for simulation. Run. So a program is running. I want to wait up to the completion of this data. After that, let me start, let me play back. This is a bird experiment. very easy. Compare to your part B. The part A is very easy. Just to analyze systems and the command you have to remember. It's going on. Still it's 30. Up to 80 we need to wait. After this we move on to fourth experiment. It is also just a small change we have to make in this experiment. So with fourth experiment also we can do using this LAN connection itself. Last one, fifth one. Let's find that later. Still moving. It will take time because it's a LAN connection. So it requires time to transfer the data. So have to wait. Go for dispatcher window. See like this and wait. So 5 more is that. Quick transmit next. It's completed. Completed. You just minimize this dispatcher terminal. Go for simulation. Stop. Let's see. File transfer. See, the gap tells that means at this time slot it is not transferring anything. Understanding? Okay, let me play back that. Let's see. Connection have been established to the yellow line. See, you have go for slow. I will just show you. Let me make 100%. See, the blue line is available at 1 as well as a 4. All are red line. Observe. The packet drop into mark tells it's a packet drop. See, gap. When it enters its time slot, nothing have been transmitted. Understanding? When it is reaches to your, see again the path is going to establish to the yellow line. Now if you observe, all having the red line except 2 and 5. So the second system is transferring to fifth system. Understanding? Like again you will get a gap here. Once at that time slot I am not sending any type of a data. You have to observe this. See? Now you just see you have blue line across 3 as well as a 6 and remaining all are in red. Like this you have to verify the data. I hope everyone have understood this. Let me start this one. So we will verify the results. KIP experiment 3 results. You just go for it. See, you have all the results here. Compare it. So 1 should be compared with 4, 2 should be compared with 5, 3 should be compared with 6. Just examine that. See. Experiment 3, first one. So I'm just going for the next one. N1 should be compared with N4. Just opening this. You just observe 1 having 1171. You just observe here. This is also N4 1171. Same thing we are taking. Observe properly. 71 here. 71 is the 72 is there. Nothing will be happening. 1180. Here also 1117. Some minor changes will be happening. Don't worry about that. Okay. Go for the second one. Second one I have opened. This should be compared with fifth one. Just observe 64. 0 up to 30. It's not sending anything. 1170. Just observe here. Now it's open. Same thing. Same thing it's sending. 1170. Observe. 1173. It's sending. It's 70. Let it's okay. No problem. It's matching. Okay. Next one. You have to you have to go for the next one, that is what N3 should be compared with N3 should be compared with N6 because it is transfer. So at 61 1172 compare 1173. Just comparing like this. 4 to 5 values you have to note down all the things. You have to compare. Understood this one? Okay. Just close this file. It's not required. This is also incidence. Okay. After this, what I want to do is again I need to change the bandwidth. I showed you, right? So how? Just click on it and change the bandwidth and also bit error rate. That is what this is just changed to 8 and the bit error rate should be 50. Otherwise it won't change. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros followed by 1. Here also same thing you do. 50 followed by 1 followed by 1, and here also just make it as a 8. Go for OK, and the same thing you have to change for each and everything, and again you have to run the program. I'm just changing that 8 3.1. Okay, here also 1, and this is 8. Okay, and here also same thing we have to do. That is not 8 50 followed by 1. Here also 50 followed by 1. And this is also 8. Go for OK. This also I need to change. I have changed this one. Okay. Here also just change. That should be 8, and this is also 8, and this should be 50 followed by 1, and here also 50 followed by 1. Okay, and this is also I need to change. Here followed by 1, and this is 8, and this is 8, and this is 50 followed by 1. Okay, and this is also same thing we have to do. This is also 8, and this is also 8, and this is okay. Go for it. I have changed each and every line. Fine. And here also for switch also I need to change. Okay. Go for 8, and here last one. Everything you have to, for every link you have to change the bandwidth. Remember that. Don't I think? Okay. Okay, go for one. Yes. Okay. Let it eliminate this one. It's running the thing. You have to wait for that. completed. Just minimize this and go for simulation. Stop. Okay. Wait for the mobile window. We got same thing. Hit the playback. So same thing what I explained previous. Same thing is going to apply. Here you just compare the results, experimentally results. Go for it. So 940. Initially at 1000 range we are getting, now it is decreased. You have to tabulate the same thing. And you may observe N1 should be compared with N3. You are getting same N4. Okay. Like this you have to compare the results. If you want, you can go for the graph also, no problem. Just if you compare like this, it's enough. So, okay, this is about the third experiment. Thank you.